Alright, so first to get started, I'm using the Creme of Nature Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Blowout Cream. And I like to go ahead and apply all my products in all my sections before I get started, because it just makes it a lot faster and easier to just let down and start blow drying. So I take about, I don't do the dime size, y'all. I do not do dime size. I take about this much, quarter size I should say. Start at the ends first and work my way up. Prayer hands motion, just to make sure it's smooth all the way in. And I'll just take a little bit more, about that much more, and make sure the entire section is covered in this heat protector blowout cream. Then I'm going to just detangle it some more. Twist it up. And continue to do the same for the rest. Now I'm going to be doing a little demo and review on the Infinity Pro blow dryer paddle brush, and I've been really excited to try a new blow dryer after like the whole, you know, comb and attachment nozzle to my blow dryer. So originally I was on the market for the Revlon one that I've been seeing people use, but because I like Conair flat irons, I decided to give this one a try, and it looks like it might just work, so we're gonna see. So instead of doing my hair in 4 sections, I'm going to divide it into 2 more. So I'm going to have 3 on each side, which makes 6 in total. Alright, so this blow dryer paddle brush has 3 heat settings. It has cool, low, and high, and of course I'm going to be using the high setting. So let's see what this is talking about. Let me just say that this right here is the truth. like straightening my hair is about to be a total breeze. Like this, I like this. This is it. I'm about to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to purchase this, because when I tell you, it really only took me a good 5 minutes in this section and it got it really blown out, stretched out pretty good. It wasn't too hot on the scalp, and that I thought that was really good too, because if you saw, I was able to like put my hand on top of it and it didn't hurt. Like I feel like this is a much safer route to go if you wanted to blow dry your hair and feel like it's not as damaging. Like I don't even know how to explain it, but the heat on here was like the perfect amount of heat. Like it wasn't like too hot, you know, where it kind of like hurts your scalp in a sense. But I am in love with this, so I'm going to just continue doing the rest of my head and show you guys how it looks at the very end. But just check this out. And the shine is there, so shout out to that Cream of Nature Blowout Cream.
concludes my little tutorial slash demo slash review on the Conair Infinity Pro hot air paddle brush. As you can see, I am loving this. I am so excited to get ready to heat up the flat iron and flat iron it. So stay tuned for that video as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. I hope to review more little hair tools in the future to show you guys. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.